First time mo bang magta-travel dito sa Bangkok, Thailand? If yes, then ito yung mga lugar and activity na may re-recommend ko from someone who's been living here for over 10 years. So start tayo sa mga temples, and number 1 on this list na to is the Grand Palace. Wat Po, Wat Arun, and Wat Saket. Pwede mo siyang puntahan lahat within a day since magkakalapit lang. Pwede kang mag-ride ng tuk-tuk but make sure na hindi siya lalagpas ng 100 baht. Ingat ka rin sa mga scam nila na sarado daw yung temple and will take you sa mga jewelry shops instead. Hindi nagsasarado ang temple unless closing time na. Also, gagastos ka talaga sa mga entrance fees. So, if medyo limited ang budget, okay na yung The Grand Palace and Wat Po. And punta ka na lang sa Ta Tien Pier and dun ka magpa-picture with the Wat Arun in the background. Pwede ka mag-rent ng Thai costume or Thai uniform while visiting some temples. Okay, enough with the temples and punta naman tayo sa malls and shoppingan. Maraming malls dito sa Bangkok and hindi ko sila ma-mention lahat, pero ang fave ko sa lahat is ang Icon Siam. Napakaganda ng mall na to sa loob at labas. Plus, may river view na makikita mo yung mga boat and cruises sa Chao Phraya River. You can also try the dinner cruise if you're into that thing. Next is yung bagong mall na Dusit Central Park. Maraming food options dito, plus yung roof park is a must visit. For wholesale shopping nga naman ng mga local brand, nandyan yung Platinum Mall, Platinum Market, Samping Market, and Chatuchak Market if nataon na weekend ka pumunta. As for the night market and street foods naman, punta ka sa Chinatown, Asiatic, Jout Fairs, Banda Thong, and Liep Duan Dan Neramit. I know very touristy na itong mga places na na-mention ko. But hey, it's your first time in tourist ka, diba? So it's okay to do the tourist thing. There's nothing wrong with that kasi you only have 3 to 5 days to spend. Pero let me know if you want part 2.